Hey everyone, Dave from Retired with Purpose. So, the title of my video today is Retiring with eBay: Four Truths Every Senior Should Know. So, if you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. So, you've probably heard before that eBay can be a great side hustle in retirement, and it can be. I've been selling on eBay for over 26 years now. Oh my goodness, 26 years. And I've seen how it can provide not just for income, but for purpose. If you believe, like I do, that we're meant to keep growing and serving and using our gifts, these four truths are something every retiree should know before they begin. So, can you make good money on eBay? Short answer, yes. On my channel, I have a lot of different eBay videos, and we cover all different subjects and different parts of eBay with shipping and fees and all those kind of things. And you may want to check those out. There's going to be some more coming. Um, but let's stick with these four truths that everybody should know that's getting started on eBay. Truth number one. eBay is simple, but it's not effortless. So, in the world of side hustles that I love, actually, um, eBay is not a passive side hustle. There's some very passive side hustles. This is an active side hustle, but by being an active side hustle, it can pay off and it can pay off really well. So, it's simple, but it's not effortless. Like I said, it's beginner friendly, and it doesn't require a lot of tech knowledge to do it. But there is a learning curve. So things like photos and making listings and shipping and all of those type of things, those all have to be learned. But the key with eBay and a lot of different side hustles actually, is to start small. They call it starting messy, but just start small, start messy. But the key is just get started. That's where things will start to happen. So, truth number two, you don't need a big inventory to begin. Everyone thinks they have to go out and buy stuff. Nope, that's just not true. Sell from your own supply. At home, you have books or tools or collectibles that you no longer want or need. Start with those things, or sell for friends or family or people that you know that are downsizing. But just use this basically as a test phase to see how you're going to like eBay. So, truth number three, it's more than just money. It's about purpose. Since I've been doing this, I've met people through eBay. I've learned a lot of things and I've taught. So reselling it brings joy and it brings connection with other people and growth. So purpose can come from doing this with someone else, like your spouse or with grandkids or maybe with a friend or a significant other. But you can have a lot of fun, a lot of enjoyment with selling on eBay. Now, truth number four, you can do this your way. You don't need a big store. You can list 2 items a week, or you can list 20 items a week. It's your pace. On these side hustles, and eBay's one of these, there's no pressure. There's no boss. There's no time clock. Thinking back, I haven't punched a time clock since like 1980, but just create a meaningful rhythm, something that you enjoy doing, gives you a reason to get up every morning. As a matter of fact, I just saw my doctor this past week, And he told me that just this morning when I went to see him, he said just this morning he had already told several people about purpose and a reason to get up in the morning and get moving. And he's going to start telling them to go check out this YouTube channel. Purpose. Guys, it's important to learn how to find that purpose in your life and give you that reason to get moving. eBay changed my retirement, not because it made me rich, but because it kept me sharp and kept me curious and it kept me connected with other people like you. It gave me a reason to keep going, building, helping others. So if you're thinking about trying eBay, leave a comment in the comment section below. Just go out and list one thing this week. Let me know in the comments what you listed. Or if you have questions about how to make that listing or whatever, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to help. Understand that I do have a membership program on YouTube. If you want to dive deeper into those different side hustles that you have, consider joining my membership program and we can touch base and look into your side hustle that you're interested in a little bit deeper. So now another thing too, if you've ever wondered the truth about eBay fees and about shipping costs, and I get asked these questions a lot and I've covered them on other videos, but you want to be sure to catch my next video. I promise it's going to be eye-opening to a lot of people. So check out the membership program. Let me know what side hustles you're interested in. um, if there's other things that you want me to look at and to consider and dive into, let me know in the comments. I'm always open to it. If you like this type of information, as always, guys, like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on my next video. Hey guys, I wanted to jump back in here for a moment because many of you have asked for a step-by-step guide of how to start an account on eBay. So I have provided that. I went through with like I say, just step-by-step, easy to follow, simple guide that you can go over and get your own account on eBay to get you started out. So, where you're going to find that's in the description below on this video. I've got a link that's going to take you over so you can copy that guide and get you started. So, I hope this helps. And if there's other assets like that would really help you, let me know in the comments, and I'll see if I can help you along. And we'll get you online, get you up, and get you selling on eBay. So again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.